Hi there YouTube, I've got here a parcel delivered. It's just under a kilo or maybe even less. There's a lot of sellotape. Rarely seen that much sellotape. You can also just wrap it in a plastic bag instead of doing this. And oh wow. The important thing is not to cut yourself when you open a parcel like this. There's tremendous amounts of sellotape. Inside, we've neatly packed. This smells as if it comes straight from a kitchen. It smells of deep fried oil. It's unpleasant. I hope it's just on the outer side of the parcel. It doesn't really need all this sellotape, you know. So in here, a MINITRIX or a Trix Bobo British rail. Looks quite nice. And then the other parcel, which is equally heavily wrapped up. And then here, what can we find? Well, it will be a second locomotive. Also a very heavy machine, I have to say. Looks in like this was in a good condition. That's a LIMA. It's one of the... It's a bit wonky. I don't know why. Oh, let's open it up. Oh, some parts are moving in this one here. That's never reassuring. Oh dear. Oh dear. Can you see what I can see? So this motor is completely melted. Doubt very much that this can be fixed. Just needs a new motor block really. And whereas for the other one, let's see what's inside. Let's see whether it's running or not. Let's get some. But then here, you see, if I apply the electricity on the chassis and the wheels. Electricity, this one is working. Seems to be working quite well. Clearly the traction tires are missing. They can be easily replaced. Well, yeah, this just a question why this one isn't working. I assume just something with the pickups here went a bit wrong. No, even these pickups seem to be working. So just the pickups on this side are not working. It's probably because the spring down there, the spring underneath here, I'll show it in a second. Yeah, that's what I thought. So what you can see here, I really have to take it away to show you what I mean. I'll just remove. I quickly open this one. No, I don't want to open this one here. So I'll show you this. So when I take this thing out, you can tell this pickup copper piece here is pressed too much down. Maybe I can just bend it a little bit upwards like this, and let's put it back in place so that it's firmly in contact with the plate here. This is the pickup plate here. Put it down here, put this here back in. It's a bit of a struggle, probably because one of the cogwheels is right, that's fine. That shouldn't fall off like this, but it does. And here and you can see here the light bulb is missing. So now when I put it down like this here, so this pickup on one side wasn't working here, and now it should be working. Don't know why this one isn't working. This one isn't working, and so this one is working. This one is working, and they're all working. So perfectly, all the pickups are now working because I've fixed that contact there, and also the light bulb, the original light bulb, is still working. So overall, this is a spare or repair which I've got from eBay, which is quite an easy fix. So this one here, this can't be saved because this part of the motor has completely melted. In my next video I'll open this up and I'll share it with you. Thanks for watching.